kamusta po kayong lahat? Again, welcome back to our vlog. Yeah, we're going. So, it's our day out again. Today, we're actually going to Belmont Forum because we're going to buy, what are we gonna buy, honey? Humidifier. Kasi alam niyo naman guys, ang summer dito sa Australia is very dry. So yung humidifier namin, iisa lang. So si Yejun kailangan niya ng humidifier. Tapos kami din, parang kailangan din namin sa room. So punta kami sa shopping center para bumili nun. Na-search na namin online. So meron dun sa Belmont Forum. That's why we're going. Pero bago kami pumunta doon, punta muna tayo sa Chemist Warehouse guys. Dito malapit sa amin kasi may in-order daw si Chris na na probiotics ni Yejun. He's going to pick it up. Tapos ako naman kasi magpapadala ako ng box sa Pinas. Kailangan kong bumili ng mga vitamins or kung ano mga food supplements na I think it's good for my family. So I'm going to choose some. Ang init ng panahon ngayon mga langga. Well, sabi ko nga summer. Pero parang mas mainit ngayon kaysa kahapon. So, feel talaga ang, yung masakit sa balat. Pero lucky, nasa sasakyan kami. Pero paglabas na to guys, grabe talaga. Sunday guys, kaya ang daming mga sasakyan dito. Dito kasi sa Coventry, katulad na ng lagi kong sinasabi, it's a big Asian supermarket. So, madami talagang tao dito lagi. Hindi nauubusan. I mean, walang time na kukunti yung sasakyan dito. Always madami. Kasi marami naman talagang mabibili nga. That is why. So, papunta na tayo guys ng Belmont Forum. So, namili tayo guys ng mga something sa Chemist Warehouse. May binili akong I bought lecithin. It supports healthy liver function, assists metabolism of fat. Yeah, may mga ganyan tayong binili. Tapos bumili ako ng maganda to, vitamin D3. So mga half price sila ngayon. So parang yung sale nila is until January. Tapos ayan, yung popular dito sa Australia na Pau or Popo. I don't know the exact pronunciation. Pero maganda to. What's this, Baba? Can you read?
Real Popo.
Real Popo pala.
Real Popo.
Yes.
Oh.
Ointment. So it soothes. Oh, yeah, just paw. Okay. You show to mommy's friends your paw. Show your paw. Popo. Yeah. It soothes and protects the skin you're in. Maganda to as in. Gamit nga din to ni Yejun eh. Sa may mga din siyang, may ganito din siya na yung pang kati-kati. Ayan. Tapos pinick up namin yung ni Yejun. Yung kanyang, this one. Probiotics for kids. For children. Oh, let's go. Dito na kami guys sa Belmont Forum. Yeah. It's good. Sabi ni Chris, onti daw yung tao dito today. Andito na kami. Inaantog na tong batuta. Because he woke up very early today.
Let's check the
Let's check what? Okay. We can just leave these things here, Daddy, right?
Happy?
Let's go! Hello! Hello? Jun!
How much?
Oh, too expensive. No price. Let's go. You haven't home. Yeah.
What's that? What's that? T-Rex has that.
Give to dad. Give to daddy. Go give to dad. Ano po, si Jun lang po ang may nabili. Wala pong humidifier. Wala kaming nakita. Meron kasi na nasa yung parang online. Pero sabi nung girl is parang 2 days ago pa daw yun nasa pallet. So she's not sure. Tapos wala din naman naka-display na. So check na lang namin online. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet to our simple channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye guys.
Bye, guys.
See you next time.
See you next